Okay, you're all afraid of, but what happens if it's a down day? ICT, what happens? Well, the worst thing that can happen is you lose money. And if you think that you're going to trade and not ever lose money, turn the videos off. Don't ever watch anybody else's either, because that's not a proper mindset. Traders are professional losers. They're managing every trade right from the beginning. They got to come out of the costs. You're paying a commission. And if you got slipped in Forex, you got a spread. Every trade opens up as a loser. So a trader is a professional management company of losing trades. They turn losers into winners. But not every loser can be turned into a winner. But they don't lose their business because a few never become winners. It's real important to understand that, folks. It's a paradigm shift that took place when I was a younger man. I felt that there was a way for me to always win. I was convinced of it. There isn't. There is no way of doing that, okay? So, last analogy, last lesson, and the video is over. If we're bullish here, okay, we're expecting each candle to expand higher. So in other words, the close be higher than the opening on each individual candle. My up candles are green. How many black or down close candles do you see in this price run? 2. How about this price move here? It's going lower, right? Going down for the sell side here. You're bearish. But what happens, ICT, if it goes up? You'll probably lose money. But let's count how many up close candles we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look how much range it moved. If you can't have a model that weathers, say you got a losing trade each one of those days, if that blows your account, you're not managing your risk properly. You're over leveraging or over trading. See how easy that is to deduce your problems? It's simple stuff, folks, but you're scaring yourself. You're overthinking things. You're listening to me talk about multiple concepts that will come together in a few weeks, but you're overthinking everything, and you're trying to assume just because you watched a few videos, and you're thinking foolishly that just by watching a few of these videos, we're only in episode 10. 10 episodes. And some of you think you can go out there and own the world now. I understand it's empowering information if you've never been introduced to it, but you're not going to own the world up to episode 10. Okay, you're not going to do that. You're going to lose money if you go out there and try to rush to try to do this stuff. There's a lot of things we still have to cover. And you haven't even back-tested it enough. I haven't even been teaching it long enough on YouTube for you to even have a backlog of data to draw experience from. So think about that, okay? Trust me when I tell you, folks, these moves repeat all the time. All the time. And don't feel like you're missing out because you're not doing it right now. Put that feeling aside. Make this fun while you're learning it, and it'll never feel like a job or a tedious task. Okay? You're all afraid